All right, here we want to solve this log equation. We have log base 4 of x plus 2 minus log base 4 of x minus 1 equals 1. All right, so just doing a quick little check here, right? On the left side, we have two expressions, right? So two log expressions on the left side. On the right side is just a number, okay? So how do we solve a log equation of this type? Okay? Well, the first thing we want to do is we want to combine all the logs that we can, okay? So let's look at the left side, right? This is a minus. So using the rules or the properties for logs, we can combine these, right? So we can write this as log base 4. Now, because of the minus, this becomes a fraction, right? X plus 2 over x minus 1, and that should equal 1. Okay? So the good thing about that is, okay, now we have only one log expression here, okay? And we can convert this into its exponential form. Okay, so what is the exponential form of this guy? Well, this is the base, that's the exponent, right? So 4 to the first power equals x plus 2 over x minus 1. Right? And this we should be able to solve. Now, this is a fraction, which is okay, right? If we put the other side over 1, we can just cross multiply these. Okay, so 4 times x minus 1 equals 1 times x plus 2. So 4x minus 4 equals x plus 2, and we should be able to solve this guy, right? Let me subtract the x to both sides here. Let me add the 4 to both sides. Okay, that cancels out the 4's here. That cancels out the x's there. Notice what we get. We get 3x is equal to 6. So when you divide both sides by 3, x is equal to 2. That's our solution here. Now you do have to check it. Remember, the domain of a log function, right, is 0 to infinity, which means you can't have a negative value in the argument here. Now, what happens when you plug the 2 back in here, right? We get log base 4 of 2 minus log base 4 of 1 equals 1, right? So, I mean, you could actually work this out to the very end and check it, but the key point here is that we do not get a negative expression here, right? So, okay, that checks out, right? X equals 2 is our final answer.